Hi friends, are you planning to refresh your home interiors but confused about which wall color combination to choose? Don't worry, because in today's video I will explore the latest and trending wall color combinations that can completely transform your home. So friends, I will share in this video modern color ideas, room-wise color combinations, advantages of choosing the right colors, expert tips to best results. So make sure watch this video till end. So friends, the first is the importance of wall colors. A wall colors plays very important role in interior design. It helps us to set the mood of your home, make space look bigger or smaller, improve the lighting and brightness, enhance the overall aesthetic. A perfect color combination can make your home look modern, stylish and welcoming. So friends, and latest wall color combinations, white and grey color combination, clean and modern look. These are perfect for the living rooms. It's create calm and elegant vibe. Beige and brown combination, it's warm and cozy feel. This color is ideal for bedrooms due to the natural and earthy look. Blue and white color combination, it's fresh and peaceful. These are great for the bedrooms and bathrooms, promote the relax. Green and cream wall color combination, it's nature inspired design, suitable for living and dining areas, refreshing the smoothing. Black and gold wall color combination, it's luxury and premium look and best for future walls. It's added to the richness and depth. Pastel colors like mint and lavender, soft and trendy, perfect for modern homes. Makes the space look bright and spacious. Yellow and grey combination, it's vibrant yet balanced, good for the small rooms. Added to the energy and positivity. Navy blue and wooden finish, bold and stylish, ideal for the TV walls. It's create strong and focal point. So friends, advantages of good color combinations: improve the mood and comfort, enhance the interior beauty, makes the room look spacious, increase the property value, reflect your personality. Choosing the right color is not just decoration, it is a smart design decision. And before finalizing your wall color, remember, consider the room size, check the natural lighting, match furnitures and decor, use color samples before painting. So avoid too many dark shades in small rooms, follow them for the constancy. Always plan your color palette carefully. So friends, paint cost in India, basic paint 20 to 30 rupees per square feet, premium paint 30 to 60 rupees per square feet, design wall paint 60 to 150 rupees per square feet. Cost depends on brand, finish and labor. So friends, this was all about the latest wall color combinations for home interiors. The right color can completely change the look and feel of your home. It choose wisely and create space like reflect your style. If you found this video helpful, like, share and comment, subscribe for more home decor ideas. Thank you for watching this video.